Hi, welcome to Shiny Cafe. It's 8 in the morning and we are open. Oh, our first customer is here. Hi, Nini. What would you like to order today?
I would like to order a waffle and a glass of grape juice.
Sure, we'll get that ready for you. We have a toy waffle maker ready. So let's pour the slime waffle batter into it. Spread it out evenly. Then close the lid and turn on the waffle maker to begin cooking the waffle. We can hear the sizzling sound of it cooking. Wow, it smells amazing! The toy waffle is perfectly cooked with a lovely color. Let's take out all the waffles and add a slice of butter on top. Here is a jar of slime honey. Let's use it to finish our waffle breakfast. Now, let's drizzle slime honey over the waffle, and it's done. Next, let's make the grape juice. I will use my toy knife to cut the grapes open. Then put them into the juicer and turn it on. Fresh grape juice is coming right up. Now, let's pour it into a cup. And put the lid on. Done! Let's place the food we just prepared on the tray. 1 plate of waffles, a knife and fork, and a cup of grape juice. Here you go, Nini.
Wow, the waffle smells yummy. How much is it?
It's 3 coins in total. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Nini. Our second customer is here. It's Teddy. What would you like to order today?
I would like a big breakfast and a glass of fresh milk.
Sure, we'll prepare that right away. First, let's make a croissant. We take the croissant dough made by Play-Doh, roll it up and then bake it. Put it on the plate and it's ready to go. Now, let's put the croissant dough into the oven and turn it on. The croissant will get bigger as it bakes. Wow, it's done! It looks nice and tasty. Croissant. Next, let's coat an egg. Turn on the stove. Crack the egg. And use a spatula to fry it. Oh, the egg is ready to go on the plate. Right. The last ingredient is bacon. Fry it on low heat. Then season with pepper. Sprinkle some pepper and fry it a bit more. Done! The baked breakfast is ready. Bacon. Let's pour fresh milk into a glass. Now we can place the food and drink on the tray to serve the customer. Oh, don't forget the ketchup. Hi, Teddy. Here is your meal.
Wow, this big breakfast looks delicious. How much is it?
It's 5 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you, Teddy. Please come again. Oh, our third customer is here. Wow, this customer is so tall. Oh, it's Mrs. Cactus. What would you like to order today?
Hi, I'd like a sandwich and a cup of hot coffee, please.
Sure thing, we'll make it for you. Please wait a moment. First, let's get some fresh vegetables. Let's pick tomato and lettuce. We need to wash the vegetables first. So let's turn on the cold water and wash the tomatoes and lettuce. Remember to turn off the water when we are done. Next, let's slice them and set them aside. Now, let's make the sandwich. First, put a slice of bread. Then add lettuce, tomato, cucumber, salami, cheese, egg, and another slice of bread. Ta-da! The sandwich is ready. Great job! Oh, don't forget the hot coffee for Mrs. Cactus. It smells so good. Let's put the lid on. The coffee and sandwich are ready to serve to the customer. Mrs. Cactus, here's your meal.
Oh, thank you. How much is it?
It's 4 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 coins. Thanks, Mrs. Cactus. Wow, look at all the yummy food we made.
The grape juice is delicious.
The big breakfast is really tasty.
I love the sandwich and coffee.
Thanks everyone for your compliments. I had a lot of fun today. Hey friends, thanks for watching and see you again at Shinee.